This is from the 2018 final exam. A bridge is to be built across a small lake from point B to point C. The bearing from point B to C is south 41 degrees west. From a point A 100 yards from point B, the bearings to B and C are south 71 degrees east and south 26 degrees east, making the difference between 71 and 26 this angle of 45 degrees. Find the distance from point B to point C. Approximate your answer to the nearest yard. Well, we just found that this angle was 45 degrees by simply taking these two bearings and subtracting them. But we need to also know this angle. So remember how this angle was, well, this angle is 71 degrees from south to east. That leaves an extra 19 degrees to go directly east to that perpendicular line, horizontal line there. So if we think that same horizontal line here, we have alternate interior angles that are 19 degrees. Then if this angle is 41 degrees, then sorry, I got thrown off by trying to do a degree mark. Okay, so this angle is 41 degrees, then to this horizontal line, this would be 49 degrees because 41 plus 49 is 90 degrees. So then this angle being 19 degrees because it's alternate interior with this 19. And then this angle being 49, so that these two angles are complementary. We add those together and we get this angle of 68 degrees. So then we add our 45 and 68 together, which is 113. Take 180, subtract our 113, and we have 67 degrees for the third angle. That's important for us to be able to use law of sines because we need pieces across from each other. So all it's asking us to find is the distance from point B to point C. So I labeled that with an X. So that is across from the angle which we determined is 45. So we have the sine of 45 over x equals the sine of 67 over 100. So opposite pieces for our law of sines. And then we calculate that with the calculator. Make sure your calculator is in degree mode. And we get 76.8 yards, which it says give your answer to the nearest yard. So that is 77 yards total. Just making my problem look a little more accurate here. This was in yards. And I've got all my degree marks on everything, though some of them are in different colors. Oh well, we're good.